Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a regular viewer of this channel, you might be wondering why on earth I'm reviewing a flashlight on a photography channel. This is the Wurkkos HD03, and this little guy is about the size of your thumb, weighing in at only 49 grams, but yet still packs a punch with up to 680 lumens on what Wurkkos call the turbo mode. It also has a reach of 180 meters, and that's more than enough to light up your subject, the trail to and from your location, or the night shoot itself. But what makes the Wurkkos HD03 really interesting for photographers and content creators is its versatility. It has over 20 plus RGB lighting effects, which means you can add a splash of colour to your photos without carrying bulky lighting gear. It also comes with a handy clip on the back, which is both magnetic and also features a rubber grip to get a good hold on any camera bags, rucksacks, or even items of clothing, so you shouldn't lose the Wurkkos. It also comes with this rather handy lanyard loop should you want to secure the little flashlight with that. The best bit about that clip is you can attach it to your rucksack straps and it will stay put, and no need to look like a wally with a head torch either. One huge plus for the HD03 is the fact that it is rated as IPX6 water resistant, so rain, water splashes, or wet weather won't stop it. That makes it perfect for hikers, campers, van lifers, mechanics, as well as us photographers. In fact, anyone who needs a tough, lightweight, versatile light source. Now, as photographers, I've got a couple of little things I didn't quite like about the Wurkkos. Firstly, I would have liked to have seen a tripod mount on the bottom of this unit, so you could easily attach it to a tripod so you could use it as lighting. Similarly, with the unit, there are only two buttons on the side, which is how you switch the torch on and then go through all the settings. I did find this a little tricky sometimes. I'd have liked to see another button for the different modes, as well as one to increase the actual brightness of the torch. So while it may seem unusual to review a flashlight on this channel, I think the HD03 is an excellent addition to anyone's camera bag. If you'd like to purchase one of these little HD03s, then Wurkkos have kindly supplied a discount code which you'll find in the description below, as well as links to buy them either from amazon.co.uk or from Wurkkos themselves.